Hi you guys, starting off this vlog on a Friday afternoon. It is a beautiful day and I'm so excited because I'm headed to my favorite place. If you know, you know. I'll give you a second to guess. It's TJ Maxx, HomeGoods in Marshalls. I have serious issues, but I am headed out to check for just a few things. This is like a necessity shop. I need to get a butter container. I need to get a little sweeper. If you guys are new here, my name's Taylor. I recently moved to South Florida from Massachusetts, so I'm in my own apartment, and that is what these moving vlogs are all about. That's why I'm going to these stores for necessities and not for decor. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. I post there daily as well. So let's do it. I'm so excited. My package from Costco was delivered. I'm so excited. My mom was like, Taylor, you need to get something to put your snacks in because you're gonna get bugs. And if you guys watched my last video, I don't do bugs. I'm so excited because I was just walking out the door and I saw this at my door. This was such a good deal on Costco's website. I ordered it online because when we looked at the Costco's around here, they didn't have this. And they had a $10 off coupon at the time of purchasing. This was like 50 bucks, I think, for all this. I had these actually at my old house, my mom's house, and they were great because things wouldn't go stale fast. I gotta show you what I've been using recently. This is my snack cabinet. I have been using this thing right here to like seal my bags, and it's like decent. And this is what it looks like. I'm not very good at it, and I can still do this, but I'll put it inside one of these containers. So I am so excited about that. HomeGoods was almost a complete fail until I looked in the lamp section. And I don't know if I showed you guys yet. I'll show you when I get back, but my mom gave me a lamp that was actually in her place, and it goes kind of like with my coastal vibe, but the lampshade was kind of small and kind of gross, so I need to buy a lampshade. But I found one at HomeGoods for $19.99, and it's like, I think it'll be a good size. It's kind of big. There's a Marshall's very close by. I'm gonna hit that up and see if they have anything on my list. The lampshade was on my list, so check. Marshall's was so-so. I got a broom with a thing because I want to like sweep off my patio area. It was only $12.99 and I feel like that's not bad. I also got clips. I am like dripping sweat. It's so funny because being from Massachusetts, like it's hot here, but it's not that hot for people who have lived here. Obviously it's hot in my car, so I'm gonna turn my car on and drive to TJ Maxx. I have like big things that I'm looking for. I still need a kitchen table. I want like a coffee table eventually. It's not necessary though, but the necessities are a kitchen table and a dresser. I don't have a dresser in my room. Like some of my clothes are still in bins. And then I'm also looking for an espresso machine. Wait, you guys, I just got back and I was like, oh yeah, I can put my lampshade on. What? I'm so confused. This obviously isn't gonna work. It's also way too big. Oh my gosh, I have to return this. It's so bad. I feel like a full-blown idiot, but like, oh my. This is why I need a mother's advice sometimes, because I bought that thinking, oh, this is gonna work perfectly. I'm actually picking her up on Sunday at the airport, so I'm gonna open these up, maybe put some stuff in them. I saw one of these containers, literally it was this container with the top, same brand and everything, at HomeGoods for $12.99 for one. And I got 8 for like 50 bucks. Guys, it is Saturday morning and I'm realizing how badly this lighting looks on me, but I'm also realizing no, I just need to go to the beach or do a self-tan because I am getting ready to go to the gym. I'm gonna do a quick workout. I was supposed to grab coffee with one of my coworkers at 11-ish. She can't make it anymore, which is totally fine. I'll be able to like make breakfast and go to the beach a little bit earlier. I'm trying to figure out how long I want to go to the beach because I obviously have very fair skin and I will burn. I'm gonna play it by ear and take this solo day and enjoy it. All right, I'm getting ready to take myself to the beach. I have to pack a bag. I think I'm just gonna pack a bunch of snacks and like have that be my lunch and then actually make food for dinner. I'm gonna bring this thing. It's a bag that has like a beach towel inside of it, so I can lay on that and then I'll probably just put my head on this towel. This is the sunscreen that I wore the last time I went to the beach. I got it from Marshall's and it is SPF 60. And when I went, I didn't get burnt at all. I mean, I want to get some color, but I just put sunscreen, like a tinted 50 SPF on my face. And I'm gonna wear a baseball hat because I always wear a baseball hat to the beach. Okay, going in my disaster of a closet. Oh my gosh. I think they're in this bin. This is the bag I'm gonna use. It's the biggest like beach type bag that I have. This closet is literally a disaster. Okay, now we shed it. I am beach ready for my solo beach date. This is the beach fit, my suit. I'll try to link it for you guys. It was actually from an influencer event that I went to at my old job. Some linen shorts. I want to figure out how to do this bookshelf because I'm not like completely obsessed with it, but I'm gonna bring a book. I haven't read this book yet and I bought it like a couple months ago because this book took me a while to read. I have my bags packed. I have a towel, some snacks, extra sunscreen, my wallet, and then that towel blanket thing that I talked about. And then I also have like a soccer mom chair in my car. I don't have a beach chair yet. Also bringing my water bottle that's filled with ice and water. And then I'm also gonna pack a water bottle because I have extra. Oh my goodness, it is so hot. This hat looks like seriously way too big on me. I don't know why everybody else who wears this hat, it doesn't look like this, and I don't have like a particularly small head. I am on my way home from the beach. It was a beautiful day. There's a little bit of traffic getting out of here, but it was a beautiful day. I just didn't want to get fried because I live here now and I gotta be outside more, so headed home. I showered, I blew out my hair a little bit just to like make sure it doesn't get greasy. I have made the adult decision of staying in for the remainder of the night. Benefits of living alone, you're really like truly on your own schedule, and I'm trying to get in the mindset too that I don't feel bad about like not going out all the time, especially because tomorrow I kind of have a big day. Like I'm gonna be out literally all day, so I'm gonna do some cleaning now. It is actually crazy how dusty things can get in just a week. Pajamas and ready for bed. I'm just finishing up a show right now. I watched the movie Quiz Lady on Hulu and it was actually super cute and like funny. I was intrigued by the actors in it and I have Hulu, so I figured I'd give it a watch, and I'm happy I did. I actually paid attention the whole time and like didn't go on my phone. Then I just had a FaceTime call with my dad. I feel like FaceTime is super helpful to like talk to my family. I FaceTimed my Grammy this morning. So much better than a phone call. I mean, I talk to my parents every day, but FaceTime is just like a little bit more special. So I've been just like surprise FaceTiming people when I have the time. I will talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. I don't know what this dry little spot. I'm having like a weird skin day. For some reason, the product that I put on is like sticking to my dry spots. It is Sunday. I got up, made breakfast. I actually tried to make hard-boiled eggs in my air fryer and I don't know how they came out. It might have been a fail. I put them in there for like the time and the temperature that everyone says to do, and I cracked one open and it like exploded. It was not hard-boiled at all. My lashes have been like crazy, like super full, which I love. They're just like, I feel like because when I don't wear makeup and then I put makeup on, it's like they look intense. But I made breakfast, did some laundry. I did 2 loads. I'm gonna fold the load that's in here right now and watch my church online. And I'm actually gonna leave in about like an hour and a half to go pick up my mom from the airport. I am at the airport picking up my mom. I'm so excited, but we have to like run because she's actually getting a rental car for the couple weeks that she's here. And they close at 2 o'clock and it's 1 o'clock now. And we're gonna have to drive there. So I have a feeling she's gonna want to drive my car because I'm like such a grandma when it comes to driving. There she is. Yay! We're going to Walmart. And I have a Target bag in my hand. I know, I filmed you when you came in. We just went to Walmart and got a lot of stuff, and before we go to my mom's place, we stopped for sushi. I got a tuna roll, and then I'm so tired all of a sudden, I think I just need food. I got a lampshade that actually will fit my lamp. This is the lampshade. I'm so happy with it. Thank God. I found this at Walmart. It was actually like less than $10, and it has like a linen beige look and it fits correctly. So I'm really, really excited about this. It's so cute and it goes really well. Can we just do this comparison? Like, honestly, what was I thinking? Really? Like, definitely got to return this one. My mom left this morning to go to her place and I have to work today, so I have a few things to do, but I wanted to start my day by making, you guessed it, banana bread. Bananas that I have are like really, really ripe and ready. So last night my mom and I went to Walmart and I figured I'd pick up the ingredients to make a nice little banana bread. This is the thing I'm excited for, is this Our Place little pan. I think it's so pretty. This is my first time actually using the oven, so hopefully all goes well. I'm so excited for my place to smell like banana bread. I'm obsessed. I have all my little utensils. These are from Our Place. These I think are just from either TJ Maxx or HomeGoods. It is looking good. I don't have a masher, so I did my best to mash the bananas. Okay, gorgeous. I feel like I had to cook this a lot longer than the recipe called for, and I don't know if it's because I used more bananas. It's looking yummy. It is smelling good. I'm so excited to have a slice later. I'm gonna have a sliver like once it cools down just to make sure it's good to go, and then I'm actually gonna bring it over to my mom's later.